Alright, welcome everyone to Ryan Richards Slots. I'm here at Potawatomi Hotel Casino in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. I'm going to try my luck on the FireCracker game. Just got to check this out. This thing is ready to explode. Every single one of them is lit all the way up to the very top. I know that doesn't mean anything, but I don't know. And those are the progressives that I will be playing for. I'm just going to try nickel denom. I'm going to do minimum bet. Try and get this thing warmed up a little bit. And then should have volumes all the way up. And hopefully I can start getting some of those firecrackers to land and get into that bonus. I normally don't ever play this game because this game is just a money pit, but I've never seen all three of them all the way to the top before. It sounded good. I don't believe this game has a random trigger on it. I think you have to just get it by getting those rockets to trigger it up at the top. Oh, come on, green. Do it. All right. Well, got the double up feature. Not huge numbers, but all right. See what I can do here. Nickel denom. See if anything with letters can land. I don't know. I got a few up top. I gotta scoot back. I can't even get this whole damn screen in. Jeez. Oh, come on, bottom game. You gotta get something to land. Save it. Oh, are you kidding me? Last one. If something doesn't land, it's done. Oh. But they really just do not want to land in that bottom game. So many open spots too. Oh, I saw the mini floating around there. Mini is $50 on nickel denom. All right, starting to fill up a little better now. Still got some work to do yet though. Come on, don't be done yet. Save it on the top. No, it's done. Couple more spins. Come on, find one. Last spin, save it. All right, well, let's see how I did here. Again, not huge numbers, but I mean, just from seeing those firecrackers, I mean, they were all the way to the top. It had to hit. $40. All right, yeah, I'm gonna try changing the denom, and then see if I can get those other two. Let's try 2-cent denom, and then. What is this bet? 352. All right. Let's see if I can't get those other ones to explode. Well, it sounded really good again. Kind of just want blue and green to land. Like priming the pump. No, not red. I want blue and green. Yeah. Come on, do it. Ugh. Oh, come on, launch it now. The mini would have been $40 on a 2-cent denom. It seems like all they're giving me now is red. Come on. All right, blue. Blue. All right, got the green.
I present the extra spin.
All right, let's see how I can do on this one. Let's get some decent numbers to land here. Oh, that's terrible. Come on, something with letters. All right, that'll help. $16. Keep landing. It's right in there. We get a minor to land maybe, or even that major. Come on, save it. All those open spots. Oh, you're kidding me. All right, let's see how I did. Jeez, $32 on a 352 bet. These games just do not seem to want to pay all that much. All right, I'll do a few more backup spins, and then I will be off to hopefully find that next lucky winning slot machine. Actually, I'm gonna change to denom. Let's try penny denom, and then I'll do 264 a spin. Hey, you get better line hits in the game than. All right, launch it on this one. I really want to get that blue firework to just launch, but I don't know. All right, a couple more spins. Come on, do it now. All right, last spin coming in. Do it. Last spin. Oh. All right. Well, it was fun. I ended up getting the red firework and the green firework. I think I started the session with $100, cashing out $60.76 even with the two bonuses. It just, I don't know. I didn't want to pay. You really have to get like two of those fireworks at the same time in order to get a decent bonus. But that's how it goes. All right. Well, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.